Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abbie. I am a fashion and lifestyle content creator, and today I want to talk about Mejuri, which is one of my favorite jewelry brands. I've talked about them in the past and I keep talking about them because I love their affordability, their ethically sourced materials, and honestly they just keep coming out with gorgeous timeless pieces that I can't get enough of. Mejuri recently dropped a ton of new lab-grown sapphire pieces, and I love sapphires because you get the look of diamonds for less. They're so much more affordable and they're lab-grown, so they're ethically sourced. And I have 5 pieces. A few of them are new, a few of them have been around for a while, but I have 5 pieces that I really want to share with you because they are such gorgeous, timeless pieces that I think you'll love. I will leave all of the links to the 5 pieces that I talk about in the description box below. First up is one of my absolute favorites. It's the Aurora Oval Eternity Ring. It's 18 karat gold vermeil and of course lab-grown sapphires. It's absolutely beautiful, and honestly my camera had a little problem focusing because the sapphires were so sparkly. So because of the light reflection, my camera was struggling to focus on how sparkly this ring actually is. I feel like this ring could definitely be worn for an everyday piece, or it could be worn as more of a special occasion item like a wedding band. Weddings are already so expensive. I know, I just had mine about a year ago and I feel like I was so overwhelmed with every single cost and charge and invoice that came up. So when looking for a wedding band, that was just an additional item. So this is something that is so much more affordable than your standard diamond eternity band, but it's also so gorgeous and timeless. So you could definitely get this as your wedding band if diamonds are not in the budget for you right now. The second piece that I want to talk about is the dome figure balance ring. This is just a work of art. I love the wavy lines with the pear diamond. I feel like it's just so beautiful, and like I said, just such a work of art. It's so gorgeous, and they have dome figure rings that are plain or pave, and so I feel like you could stack this with other rings too if you wanted. It's just such a gorgeous piece, and again, it's a lab-grown sapphire, 18 karat gold vermeil, and it's under $200. So it's such a great item, such high quality for a great price. The lab-grown sapphire tennis bracelet is another one of my favorites because I love a good tennis bracelet, but honestly, a diamond tennis bracelet is not always in the budget. They run anywhere from $2,000 all the way up to $1,520 depending on where you get them from and where they're sourced from, and that is just so expensive. And I love diamonds, but this just allows you to have the same look for less. It's so gorgeous and sparkly and high quality, and it honestly looks huge. Like, the gemstones look massive. The stones are 3mm and it just is so gorgeous. I love the look of it, and the clasp is so high quality and it makes the bracelet so secure. I love that it kind of clips into itself and then has the 2 closures on the side to have an extra security, so you know you're not going to lose it and it's not going to fall off. This is one of my favorite items, and I do have a lab-grown diamond tennis bracelet from Mejuri. It's a little bit smaller, but they are both so sparkly. Honestly, if I put them side by side, I can't tell which one is the diamond and which one isn't because they're just so gorgeous. And I truly cannot get over the price point. It's $398, which is such a steal. I feel like you can't find that anywhere else for this quality. I personally wear my tennis bracelets every day just because I love the everyday glam and sparkle. I am a girly girl to the core, and so this is something that I look forward to wearing every day as well as for special occasions. It's just so beautiful, and I feel like this is something you cannot go wrong with. I love a Marquise cut gemstone. I feel like it's so beautiful and timeless, but at the same time more unique than an oval or a round cut. These earrings are so dainty and so sparkly, but also just so beautiful. You can wear them on their own or stacked with other earrings. They're also so affordable. They're $68 and 18 karat gold vermeil, and of course lab-grown sapphires. Just such a great item if you're looking for a gorgeous sparkly piece under $100. Last but not least is the Eve cluster necklace. This is such a unique piece. It kind of just reminds me of the stars. I think it's just because it's like the station necklace, but all of the gemstones are cut into different shapes, which makes it so much more fun and so much more unique. It's so beautiful, and again, just so much more affordable than diamonds. I think the affordability makes it such a great option if you're looking for a high quality item but at a lesser price. It's gorgeous on its own, but it can also be stacked and layered with any other necklace. If you are trying to layer this necklace, it does range from 16 to 18 inches, so you can kind of adjust as needed depending on where you you want that necklace to sit. That wraps up my favorites from the Sapphire collection. I feel like they are all so sparkly, gorgeous, and the best part is that they're also affordable. I love these pieces, which is why I'm sharing them with you. And I left all of the links in the description box below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.